Let us now describe the first two vertebrae, which are more peculiar. The second vertebra, called the axis, is prominently noted for its projection called the dens or the odontoid process, etymologically, which has the shape of a tooth. This process is composed of a base, a neck, body, and a slightly rounded top. The body of the odontoid process has an anterior surface and a posterior surface. The posterior surface articulates with the transverse ligament. We observe three articular surfaces on the vertebral body: two upper surfaces, one on either side of the odontoid process, and one lower surface which will articulate with the C3 vertebra. The pedicles lie at the level of an area called the isthmus, which is located between the superior articular surfaces and the laminae. The laminae are larger than that of the underlying vertebrae. They fuse posteriorly to the vertebral foramen to form a massive and bifid spinous process.